Hey guys,
Hi guys.
please no, I don't think they can see you lah. Come here, Kish.
Okay,
Alright.
Hi everyone.
Everyone, good evening. Welcome to the last episode of
Season 2.
for season 2.
Yeah.
Cerita Seram, sorry. I actually
Season 2
start
just
there a bit lah.
episode 10 lah.
Episode 10.
Yeah.
Okay. So episode 10 is not any ordinary episode. Alright, as you know how we do our closing in season 1. It's the same. Season 1 closing was at Tampines Eco Green.
Yes, sampai
Yeah.
Eco Green. Eco Green tu pun seram bro.
Yeah. It was a scary experience.
If you
Alright.
guys want to know, you can watch in YouTube.
Correct. Alright. This is now season 2. Last episode. Why bro?
Tak ada, itu daun tu boleh.
The leaf.
Itu. Tak apa. Kita buat introduction dulu. So saya adalah host anda Kish. And this is my partner Dan.
Alright.
Yeah.
So I'm Dan. I'm the executive producer.
Yes, and the host here.
Yeah. Kish is the host as always. I'm Dan, executive producer for Filmscape Entertainment, and one of the brains behind Cerita Seram. He's the main brain. I'm the main but the top brain, where we do the planning of Cerita Seram lah. And of course, for season 3, we will make it even better. Yeah, bro.
Yeah.
I agree with you.
Kan macam ada something kan.
Yeah. I think we do.
Daun tu masih macam
To
mana
design.
ada? Yeah.
I
Because
think
you
we
guys
do a baseline reading. Okay, I think we do a baseline reading. Alright. As you guys know, this is our lovely K2. Give him. Alright, and
as
of
usual
course not
I will hold
forgetting.
this. As usual. Okay.
Not forgetting also our EMF sensor. Alright, so I know the guy, every one of you have seen me behind the scenes, not exactly in front. I think we are a bit out of frame. Alright. Yeah, so this is it lah. Okay.
Now there is no light.
So yeah, I think we try to do a baseline check. Okay. We try to go around, we see. Now it's still pretty clear. The place is quite okay for now.
Sini
Yeah. This case is here. Alright. So yeah lah. I think we want to thank all of our viewers who
Tak. Dekat dia macam ada something dekat sini.
okay, so Kish said that at
Something is
the
following us.
yeah. Okay. Oh, yeah. I think you are right. So the both of us,
Shit, so fast.
for the
Oh,
K2,
mas
if you can see, it's okay. Just about to show. Okay, I think Kish is experiencing something. So seems like Kish is actually quite attracted to the tree here lah. Yeah, maybe we go a bit.
You know, last episode, first episode kan kita buat kat sini.
Yep.
Yeah, the time our subscriber got sent us the photo that someone is from behind, red eye looking at us.
Yeah. So for season 3, a bit more different. Okay.
Eh,
Whoa. Why bro?
Jap. Oh shit. No bro, no, I feel.
Okay guys, I think this place is getting Kishnu again. Bro, why?
I told you right, there's something bro dekat situ.
You want to you try to open the SLS. We see whether
Let's check.
yeah. So got Kish to open the SLS. I think for all the episodes, he's one of
I told
the
you,
one
bro,
that
you see bro, you show bro. I told you. There's something bro, jap, kita check dulu.
maybe I will flip the cam the other side. I'm also shaking, bro. No, but where exactly are you feeling the?
No, this area. Dekat kawasan yang pokok ni.
Yeah, because actually I do feel like something is
Okay, ni.
watching us.
Tengok.
Yep. Seems like he is detecting something.
Yes. Okay.
The behind you, the tree is also quite huge. Okay, come here.
Shit.
Whoa.
My phone.
Why?
Oh.
Wait. Okay. Don't know if you guys can see, but
Oh.
wait.
Nampak bro. I saw bro.
Okay, Kish, I think going back, right? This place actually affected you quite a lot. Yeah. Can you just share with them, especially season 1? I think did we come here season 2? I don't think so.
I think season 1
Yeah.
first episode, right?
Yep.
Yes, our first episode. That time we do a video with the script. Actually, I sit at the bench there, same place. Then after that, I go back. I encounter a lot. I get sick, you know, like few days. And today we come back again. Yes.
And again, he's facing the same issue. But
Yes.
apparently, I'm not receiving anything through my EMF. But
I
the
saw
K2.
something at the thing.
No, you check your K2. You see.
Ni.
So the K2, there's a reading, but for the EMF, there appears to be nothing yet. But
I need to take my phone out.
where?
Oh my god.
Your phone?
Yeah, I dropped my phone.
Oh.
Check lagi sekali I tunjuk. Beranikan diri lah Okay, you guys check Where I saw, you see. Sekejap ni pokok kan. I show you guys.
Seems like
Mana dia? Mana dia pergi? Lompat di mana ni?
don't have.
Ni. Tengok.
There is a reading.
I think the thing is jump
Huge,
there, yeah.
Yup.
You see. Kepala, tangan, kaki. Wih. My body like heat already, you know, panas.
Anyways, bro, I can't seem to detect anything through the EMF, but it seems like he's the one that is
Tengok
facing
ni.
it lah. Oh, yeah,
Tengok ni
seems
ya.
like this is a
guys.
better one.
Tengok this is the place we do the introduction, right?
Yup.
You see,
There's 2 there,
2. Come on, man. 1, 2,
3.
3.
Okay. No, but I still feel like got something.
Kau dengar dari tadi ada bunyi.
Yeah.
Like that.
Yeah.
Kan?
But I still feel
Last
something
time
like it's
when
watching us.
first episode kita lalu sini tak ada benda macam tu pun bunyi.
Yeah. But yeah lah.
Why not we just try?
Not again. It's always this place is the one that get to us the most lah. So now we are going to the place where the thing was being tracked. Now we are checking again. So far tonight the EMF has been relatively quiet.
Okay, sini yang kita nampak kan, bayangan tu kan. Okay, we saw the shadow here. Okay, ni.
Yep. Thing is okay on my end. The EMF.
Not okay bro. Ni ada berhenti.
No bro. you feel, I know you keep on thinking that there's something
Yes.
watching us there.
Because my right ear kan,
Yep.
panas sudah. Very heat already. I cannot tahan. That's why I nampak benda tu, I lari terus. I don't want to get sting.
Yeah.
Ni merah. Ramak. Hati-hati lah. Ni. Dan. Yang tadi kita nampak Dan.
Yup.
Hey.
Yeah.
Ni?
So far. Yeah.
Bayangan tu betul-betul duduk atas pokok tu. I nampak.
I know.
Tahu get capture or not, but I saw the thing
On the
tree
there. Yeah, but we also feel like there's something watching us
Yes,
there.
something, yes.
Okay, I think right. How about we try to sit there? There's a bench here. We see how it goes. Okay, guys. Tonight has been quite fruitful. Especially it's the last episode of season 2. Alright. Our apologies if you are not able to see us that clearly. It's pretty dark here.
Saya minta maaf, saya hanya
Yeah, we are sorry. We are just here to do a video.
I'm not disturbing anyone.
Oh, I heard. Okay,
Let's check.
come.
Anyone here?
Wait, guys. I adjust.
Bless. Blue.
What?
Blue.
Why?
Kau tak baca? Bless. Setan. Monster.
Hah?
Yes. Macam mana nak tengok balik ah?
Oh, so
Guys, baca. Today's date. When I ask, is anybody here? You see what is the reply?
oh, you see this there, right? It looks like it's an opening, like asking us to go inside there. Don't you think?
Nampak
Okay, wait, guys. So we have this in front of us here. Here, right? It seems like it's a portal for us to go in. Yeah.
Tell the truth. Bless. Satan. Monster.
Satan.
Satan.
Okay, guys, look at the timestamp.
Yes. 9/7. Now ah.
Okay, so seems like it's the most
What is your name?
I don't think
Alright, hell.
help. Sorry, we can't. I wish we can.
Alarm blinking, man. Dia ada satu sign yang alarm dia blinking. Where are you?
Oh,
Are you very near to us? Tengok. The thing is listening until sampai hujung tu.
yeah. Never happened before.
Yes. Never ever.
Yeah, but tonight the EMF quite silent.
What is your name?
Okay, if usually we ask this type of questions, right? If they were to answer in accordance to our question, meaning they give a legitimate name, it means that it's an intelligent spirit lah, or an intelligent being. I still feel like there's something at this tree.
Dari tadi lah bro.
Yeah.
No response. Is anybody around us? Can you respond?
Oh,
Hey! God!